Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea. Today we're going to continue the series on elevator pitches and setting up some PDFs so you guys can show your clients. So today we have a friend of ours who has an accounting firm. I'm going to use just a random name, so we're not using his. So here's an assistant that Jen built through ChatGPT4. So what happens is it does elevator pitches. She tailored it strictly just for elevator pitches, as you can see right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to create it for a small business. All right. So it's going to blue collared. It's asking what is it? Blue collared, white collared. What is it? It's asking what type of business. So this we're going to hear is so it's doing a pitch. So transformed away. Okay, it's kind of long. So what we'll do is let's go ahead and make it more catchy. So hit C for more catchy. So revolutionize. Okay, so actually, I want to provide 3 more catchies. So that's on in D. So here's 3 elevator pitches that seem pretty catchy. So unlock your financial play, peace of mind. Bespoke accounting solutions. Yeah, it's okay. Simplify your success with expert accounting. Actually, let's do a little bit shorter. It's a little bit still long, so I just want shorter. Do something shorter. Here we go. So boost your business with our expert accounting. Simple, efficient, effective. So let's do 3 more variations. It's going to do short ones because that's the last thing you asked, right? So there we go. Boom. So actually that's perfect. So hit E, or say thank you actually. Then push E so that she knows that you're good, because you always want to say thank you at least. You know what I mean? So this is really cool, something neat that we keep showing everybody that you guys could do. At the end, it says here if you can use it for free, obviously, and then if you like it, drop us a tip. So we learned this off another YouTube guy that was doing this, and that's pretty cool. I thought it was pretty neat to have that. So, but if you join our school, everything's going to be free. We're going to give all this stuff away for you guys. We're going to show you how to build one of these on your own. I'm going to put the link down there at the bottom to join our school. It's a community where a safe place that you can come. We discuss AI and other tools for your business, so using ChatGPT. Okay? All right, so we went ahead and said we're going to use this one here. So according to our service, where the numbers effortlessly. So let's go copy that. And now we're going to go over to Gamma. Gamma is what Jen's been using to create her slides, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use this one. This is the most popular one. So we're going to kick this here. Describe. We're going to use a card. So describe what you plan to make. We want to make a presentation for my accounting firm using this as my pitch. Boom. Let's go ahead and generate and let's see what pops up. So here you go. Introduction, expertise and growth, services offered. And then here you can actually put this in here as well. So you want to do boom, then you want to do that. Let's go Control V, and then medium, or if you want to generate all images with AI, or you could do web search. Today we're going to do just images with AI. So let's go ahead and hit continue. I'm going to go ahead and hit pause while this thing creates, and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, we're back. So this is what it created. This is the slides that it created. Our accounting services where numbers meet growth. So it kind of explains everything. And then here what you do is you go ahead and click on here again, and then we obviously change this to, or you could guys change it to your company. So we're just going to do Coffee Sometimes Tea now. Oops. There we go. Okay. So that stays there. And you could change this, put anything else in here if you want. So let's say, well, you know what? I kind of dig that, but I kind of want, pictures in here. So you could mess around with the layout. Okay. So to kind of keep it, so you can add a picture up here. So goes through, you just want to inspect it to make sure that everything jives. Okay, services we offer. And then there's a testimonial page. Actually, with testimonial page, I want to throw in, I would like to at least do it sideways so we can throw a picture in there. And then contact us. Okay, so you could change all this. All right, so let's go in here and actually change out some pictures. Here's a contact us. That's pretty cool. We can stay with that. In here, we're going to click on here where it says edit images. And we're actually going to go to AI and have AI generate. Let's see what AI pulls up. Okay, let's not use AI. Let's jump into web. So now if you do web search images, you want to make sure that you click on free to use commercially, okay? And in here you're going to put accounting. Oops. Alright, so let's take a look in here. So this is a pretty cool one. Let's see, it's a little fuzzy though. So let's jump on this one here. Now if you use this little ball right here, this is where you could change where you want it to be. Can't go up or down, to go from right or left. So it's a client testimonial, it looks pretty cool. So if we keep jumping in here, so it says our team of accountants, I kind of want to put a picture in this thing, so let's do default. Alright, so sometimes it doesn't allow you to put that background in. Jump this back to normal. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to throw that in there. It means it's the actual, the way that's set up in here, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Here's an image in the background, so you know what? I want to bring the image to the front, right, or to the top. So this is case studies. So actually, don't like that picture. Let's go grab a picture that we can take a look at. We're going to generate this with web. Change this out to commercial. Case studies. Right. Let's go. Let's put books. All right. Let's do generate with AI. Let's just leave the picture to them. It's fine. So you guys can kind of see the gist of where we're going with it. So this is for an accounting firm. Now, you know, once you're done here, you go to your present, and now you're going to present it. So, I mean, it's pretty clean, guys. It's all pretty clean. And look how quick that made. Done. Now, this is the part that's really cool. So, let me get out of here really quick, and let me go back to, let's go back to prompts. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a website, guys. This is really cool. So let's go to continue. And you're back over here, right? So it's generating. But what we're going to do is we're going to change this into a website. So give me 1 second while it generates, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Actually, I went ahead and recreated a new one. This is actually a lot nicer. It looks like a lot cleaner than what the other one had. I'm going to go ahead and change this out really quick again to CoffeeSometimesTea. And then if you kind of look at it, see that what we got to do is we got to just change this out because it generated some images that we can't use, obviously. So we need to go in here and change it to go to free to commercial. So accounting, jump on that one. Let's see what that one looks. That one looks pretty good. And then let's go ahead and change this bad boy here as well. So you change it right there. You go to here, all images, free to use. Jump on that. See how quick this is? Changing in and out of just boom, 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 in and out. Now here we have to redo the images. So let's click on here. Let's go to, let's open up this way here. So we need to change that image there. All right, give me 1 sec. Let's go change the accents. And I'll be right back. Well, I'll change these pictures so you guys don't hang on there. All right, everybody, came back, and here's some pictures that we went ahead and fixed up through the presentation. So if you click on presentation, there you go, man. So presentation looks pretty clean, guys. It's very clean. So look how quick that was, right? So again, I'm going to go ahead and get out of this here, and then what we'll do is take a look at doing this into a website. So let me go ahead and show you how to turn. You guys can turn this right into a website. It's pretty crazy. So let me go ahead and exit the this here view. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the screen to change this into a website, and we'll be right back. And we're back, guys. So you'd go back over here to generate, click on the web page, right? And then you describe web page you want to make for accounting firm. Whoops. I'm going to give you all that again about our firm. Let's put in the keep it brief. Generate. Actually, we're going to do generate web search. All images. Let's use free commercial. So hit continue. Watch how quick this generates. So once you pick the title, remember we use this for the presentations. We're going to use this the same. So we're going to hit generate. Now watch how fast this thing generates into a web page. It's generating. Boom. Look how quick that is, guys. So I'm going to let this bad boy generate, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, and we're back, man. Check this out. So about our firm, we can add a picture in here because there's no picture. So let's go to edit background pictures, right? web search. Let's go to free, and let's put accounting firm or building. There we go, boom. Let's throw some buildings in there. And then let's go ahead and close that bad boy out. So services that we offer is our team. So I would want to throw in, I would like to actually see if we can rearrange this. Let's go here and let's get a picture of like a team. So let's go here. Oops. Let's go to web. Let's go to free. And then what we're going to do is we need, let's see, is people, so boom. Not that guy, maybe. Okay, let's go back up to team. We'll throw this in here. There we go. That's pretty cool. We'll just do that, and that's pretty fun. So team of experts. I'm just kind of throwing stuff in here, guys, so you guys can see. So this here, there is no picture in here, so let's throw her in there. Client testimonials. This one here looks a little bit off. It just specializes in. Can go to the laptop there. So we can adjust all this. Click on here to add a picture. So let's go here. Background. Let's add a background picture to this. See how quick this goes, guys? I mean, it just flies. And you're done. Then the cool thing is if you hit publish the site, guess what happens? Boom. Published, guys. There it is. View the site. Here's the site on the web. Look at that, guys. Obviously, we changed these pictures, but look how quick that is. It's a website. Done. So again, using Gamma is what is going to save you guys so much time and money in having to spend and going out and getting all this stuff done. So again, I want to say thank you for joining us today. Come join our school so you guys can learn a little bit more about how to generate slides in Gamma. All right, again, thank you for joining us. Have a great day from CoffeeSometimesTea. You guys have a good one.